Good morning. I ordered some cup holder pads to fit down into the cup holders in the front and in the back. I already got one in there. Takes less than 15 seconds to install. And I also ordered some of these blue knobs that will go right there. There's one there, and one there. And I don't know if I'm gonna like those or not. I'm gonna put them on just to see. I do like the black, but they do match the paint of the vehicle. My Jeep has a hydro blue color, but and this is not a mod. This is just one of those things that you just do to your cars just to make them look good to you. So I won't put them on, then I'll show you what everything looks like after I get everything put together. They fit on pretty snug, and you know what? I like those. Okay, I've got these here installed. I've got two more to put in the back, and I put some adhesive on it, so I'm gonna get these installed right now. Okay, there they are. They fit in very snug. They're not going anywhere. Okay, that's it. I also installed this. Now, this is a phone holder, and what you see right here, right along there, this entire piece, beneath that is the original tray. So what I had to do, I had to remove 2 screws, and this is the piece that sat down in the original tray, so that had to come out. Remove 2 screws, then place this piece right here on top of the original tray, and put back in the 2 original screws, and they're in there. They're down there somewhere. I don't know if you can see it. Or see them, rather. And then install this phone holder, and it took about 5 minutes. Read the instructions. Pretty simple. And this tray really complements the original tray and the aesthetics of the dash. I like this. It's solid. It holds the phone in there. Of course, I can't put a phone in there because I'm using it right now. But behind this, you push a button that opens up, has a little cradle right here, and then you close it up there and it holds your phone in there. Sometimes I like to do videos while I'm driving, and I can put the phone here and connect a wireless or even a wired microphone. Sometimes I will do a video with my GoPro mounted on the windshield, but this seems to be a little bit more convenient to do it this way. So there you go, and you guys take care. Talk to you later.